You know what it smells like? And maybe it's because I know that it's from chickens. Let's talk about collagen today. Not just any collagen company, but companies that sell collagen make wild claims that show before and after pictures that look like this. And the liquid collagen that's blowing up social media. Modere Skin Liquid BIOCELL. I have been seeing this liquid collagen on social media for about 2 months. I keep seeing it over and over, and there's so much debate whether this thing is a hoax, whether it's real. I am not affiliated with the company whatsoever, so I figured, hey, why not? I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I don't sell this stuff. I've taken collagen peptides before. I've taken liquid collagen, but I've never paid $75 for 1 bottle of liquid collagen. Crazy. I went ahead and I purchased the liquid BIOCELL bottle all on my own. I did have a $10 off coupon that I found online just to make it cheaper for myself. I bought an HD microscope camera thing that hooks up to my phone, and so I took videos and pictures of my skin beforehand. As you can see, I have pretty acneic skin. I've been working on it with skincare for 3.5 months, and I'm talking like legitimate skincare that I invested into, and this is kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm very curious to see if at the age of 28 I do have acne. I do have some fine lines that are developing around my eyes, obviously, and some on my forehead. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you like step-by-step progress report of how the stuff is like faring out to be, and show you guys real life results that aren't sponsored, they're not biased. Modere really is trying to sell us a multi-patented super nutraceutical liquid BIOCELL collagen paired with 18 other phytonutrient rich superfoods and ceramides. Say that 5 times fast. So basically what they're trying to tell us is that this is like God's liquid gold here on earth. The claims they're making is that it's not only going to increase the skin's collagen, it's going to restore your glow from the inside out. And they're saying that it was actually clinically shown to reduce wrinkles, increase collagen production, and also limit the production of an enzyme that causes you to age. This is an enzyme that kind of depletes your hyaluronic acid, and so the ingredients in this bad boy are supposed to kind of help with decreasing that enzyme. They're also saying that it's going to improve like your joints, your nails, your hair growth, and all of that with it. I started looking at their before and after pictures that they had on their website, and their pictures are insane. I'm sorry, like, had I not known that this was advertising collagen, I thought that they were showing me pictures of before and after Botox. This is how extreme the pictures are online. The liquid BIOCELL is claiming that any topical skincare that you invest into, that you buy, is actually not strong enough to reach the dermis, which is the very bottom layer or the underlayer of your skin, which is the layer that's actually going to be producing the collagen and basically affects how you're going to look long term. They did this study and it demonstrated that within 28 days led to a 60-fold increase of hyaluronic acid in the body, which effectively decreased wrinkles from the inside out. Also did an in vitro study that actually showed that it actually helps reduce the enzyme that helps with aging, or that is responsible for aging, which is hyaluronidase, and it's an enzyme that kind of decreases the hyaluronic acid in your skin. And to add to that, a 12-week human study actually showed that it decreased visible dryness and scaling, and all of that pretty much drastically virtually disappeared without the use of moisturizer. So I read all of this and I got a little bit scared. I'm like, what the heck did they put into this to, number one, get those results and to promise these crazy claims? And I read the ingredients that are listed on the back of the bottle. I also went on their website, and they also have a video on YouTube actually that explains kind of like really in depth their ingredients list. But the main ingredient and how it differs from other collagens, they actually use hydrolyzed chicken sternal cartilage extract. And so what they do is they actually will use the cartilage from chicken, and what they found is that chicken cartilage actually mimics the human cartilage found obviously in our own bodies a lot better than all of the other cartilage that you find in the collagen peptides, such as beef, and they also have pork collagen or pig collagen in other products. So this is a chicken, and what they're claiming is that this is a very clean product. It doesn't come into contact with any of like the blood vessels, and it's super clean and it's super like sustainable, and that's the difference in their formula. Along with the chicken cartilage, they also add things like acai fruit, noni juice, grapeseed extract, just like a ton of ingredients that are beneficial, I guess, for the skin, and just to kind of, I think, also to make this taste good. Speaking of taste, I want to try this on camera because I haven't tried it yet. I've had this on my shelf for like a couple days and I was waiting to do this. So anyways, comes neat little bottle here. I'm gonna set it down and pour it in. Ooh, already it's like, you know what it smells like? And maybe it's because I know that it's from chickens, but it smells like chicken soup, but also with berries. Like, it's not disgusting, but it's like a fruity smell, but it has like an underlaying, almost like a savory smell to it as well. Anyways, let's give this a go. I probably would recommend not using a cup. This lid, I would recommend using like a tablespoon, like a normal person. Anyway, here we go. Very tasty. Tastes like a fruit juice. It's just a savory smell, but there is no aftertaste. Super delicious. More liquidy and watery than the other liquid collagens that I've tried before. So I'm super excited to explore this a little bit more. With those crazy wild claims, I'm going to be taking you guys along, probably with like bi-weekly results, with pictures, with close-ups, to let you guys in if this stuff is worth it. Again, I'm not sponsored, I'm not affiliated, they don't know who I am, I barely knew who they were. So I am just kind of exploring their company, and I want to see if these claims actually live up to their claims, you know? And I hope you'll stick around for the progress videos that I'm going to be making. I'm super excited for this product. I honestly want it to work because for $75, you better believe that you better have glowing skin. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the description, down in the comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them to the best of my abilities. Bye.